Welcome to Art Culinaires, where flavor meets creativity and every dish tells a story. Whether you're a food enthusiast, an aspiring chef, or simply someone who loves to feast with their eyes, you're in the right place. Here, we explore the artistry behind the plate, uncovering the secrets of stunning presentations, innovative techniques. Subscribe, join the adventure, and follow the food stories. New episodes will be released every week. Green spinach pasta is a variation of traditional pasta that incorporates spinach into the dough, giving it a distinctive green color and added nutritional value. Episode 2: Green Spinach Pasta. Spinach was introduced to the Mediterranean region by the Arabs in the early Middle Ages. Wheat flour has a rich and fascinating history that spans thousands of years, playing a central role in the development of human civilization. Tagliatelle is deeply rooted in Italian culinary tradition and is often made by hand, especially during holidays and family gatherings. Fettuccine is a classic Italian pasta that has become a staple in many cuisines around the world. The spinach pasta likely emerged in Italy during the Renaissance or later, when cooks began experimenting with incorporating vegetables into pasta dough. Spinach was a natural choice due to its vibrant green color and health benefits. Classic pasta forms are an essential part of Italian cuisine, each with its own unique shape, texture, and purpose. When pasta is cooked al dente, it is firm to the bite, with a slight resistance in the center rather than being soft or mushy. This texture is highly prized in Italian cuisine and is considered the proper way to cook pasta. Add olive oil to preserve and infuse flavor. The name Carbonara is thought to come from the Italian word carbonaro. Green pasta, fettuccine with bacon carbonara and mozzarella. pasta tagliatelle with bacon carbonara and mozzarella. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on notifications to watch new episodes. Kind regards, Art Culinaires.